Hey guys, this is We Are ArtSea, and today I'm going to be doing a beginner tutorial on the trick called the Little Dipper. This is by sato.xiong, and it's a very easy trick. It's also continuous, so you can do it until you feel like stopping, and it's used in many different combos. I mean, I've seen it everywhere, but no one's ever called it a trick, so I'll show you fast and then I'll show you slow. So here is fast. Okay, in order to start this trick, you're going to hold the knife by the safe handle. That's the one without the latch. And this is going to be really similar to the basic twirl, and I suggest you learn that before learning this video. The link's above and it's in the description. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to flip out like that. And once you flip out, you're going to take your index finger and put it right here on the safe handle. So you're going to flip out, put it on the safe handle really quickly. Then you're going to go back around like that, and you're going to do a basic twirl, but you're going to, instead of landing like this, you're going to land on your thumb, because you're going to be doing this continuously. So you're going to land on your thumb, and it might start getting red after a while if you do this a bunch, but that's just what happens in this. So you're going to go out, back, and this is going to pivot, and you're going to take your thumb, go around, and then the next step is you're going to go down like that and go around, and then you're going to go out. And when you're out like this is where you started. You're going to flip around. So you're going to go down like that, and then you're going to go out like that. So once you're down like that, you're going to go out, and then you're going to flip around again here. So it's just going to look like this. And then if you want to end it, once you're in this position, anytime you're in this position right here, you can just flip up, and it'll end right here. Okay, I'll show you it one more time. So you're going to go out, back, around, back, out, and then this is where you're going to do the flip, like that. Get used to this motion. So you can either end like that, or when you have it down, you can just flip it around like that. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment any questions you have, and I'll try to answer them.